Hello friends, yours in Reader Books Club. Welcome back to the world of 3S Saris, Part 2. People can easily become rich and successful. Those whose thinking is different from others. To prove his different thinking, he has to show his feel in imagination. When you imagine, I begin to feel my thoughts, then you are there to achieve that goal. Can start reducing it better, strengthening your creative imagination. It is not a posture, it is constantly being done by dolphins and is achieved through continuation of practice. To achieve this, follow the instructions given in the book. If you help the rest of the principal Sahab, then let us now move forward and discuss those principles. I know very well that you are creative. Moving forward with strengthening the imagination, now we can help you increase the cost. We will talk to everyone in the big planning. First, identify what you are getting in exchange for money. Which service are you planning to provide? Then you start creating a commercial strategy. You can even do it if you have a planning. There is no fixed plan. Start at once. And it would have failed in practice line Agra. Then we'll see what went wrong then. She will think about improving it later and then try it, and you must realize the trial and in the heart of every receiver, if it is true that liver never wins and winner. Never quit means never leaving. Live and winners never quit. Then there are some qualities of leadership which courage is the power that makes your life very easy. Self-control, a pleasant personality. Mastering the expansions is all because of this. It will help you to accomplish your tasks. On the other hand, fears like selfish infidelity, weaknesses in your journey to success, there will be obstacles in controlling yourself and trying to become a better version of yourself. Try to be the kind of person who you deserve to achieve the most you can ever have. Don't stop asking you. If you have sufficient quality and sufficient quantity, I have served in and never had any major. Don't stop thinking that you are constantly working less. You are getting a lot of progress from this. After deciding your goal, board the planning, everybody starts doing it. But people, often we do not realize that how planning is put into action. So to put your planning into action, there is a suggestion to follow create a mastermind group where such people are included that helps you reach your goals. If you can, then gather a group. First, make sure that what should we give them in return for completing their work? You can do it at least twice a week. Meet with the group and if possible, keep meeting him in the group until you reach out to him. You do not successful planning yourself and maintain good relations among the group at all times. Keep it to get your luck. You need someone to be with others. Any person can completely control his destiny, cannot make it on my own. If your planning fails, then try again. Do planning until the planning is done. Keep trying. Being successful is not easy. Even Thomas Edison invented light 10,000 fields before completing the bulb, made plans, but they never fulfilled every money and failure of previous planning, but keep making new plans and so, finally, he achieved his goal. So, it is important to plan wisely. I will start it and do it without any planning. Keep trying until you get it right. If you want to make a goal with planning, then you must also listen to the goal audiobook. I first downloaded 20 audiobooks from Cuckoo FM where I got 3 things. I understood smart goal setting in great detail. It is very important to do that. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bounds are ideal for your big and long-term goals. Divide it into smaller parts so that they can be achieved easily. And lastly, work towards your goal every day. You can also listen to this audiobook on Cuckoo FM.